because Jesus, this did hard bad. I decided that I would try to follow a beauty guru's Halloween tutorial. So that's what I did. And as you can see, it was hard. Disclaimer, it was hard. But I bet from that intro that you thought it looked bomb, right? And if it doesn't look bomb, I apologize, but I anticipate that when I edit it, it will look half decent. But if it doesn't, please do not come for me. Your girl tried. She did the best she could. Honest to goodness, I really did. Like I spent hours on this. So anyways, let's just get into it. So if you watch my Halloween video already, then you know that your girl cannot draw. She ain't got no Halloween skills. Like, you know, like it ain't there. So I'm hoping that with like a tutorial and a guide that I can actually like come out with something decent, because this skull makeup was like Chrisspy's best Halloween tutorial ever. I mean, aside from her gangsta clown one, because that one was badass. But it has like 6 million views. Like, it did the damn thing. So, let's see if I can do it any justice. My socket as a guide. Alright, brush it. Yep, so I'm gonna switch brushes, because that's not it. This outline is already terrible. Okay, that works. So there we have it. And then she just fills in the bottom. Yo, this is supposed to be the easiest part of the, you hear her talking? My lips are dry. See? Big me up. This is supposed to be the easiest part of the tutorial, and like this legit took me like 10 minutes and it still looked terrible. How, Sway? How? Getting an even layer of this makeup? Impossible. Trying to get a peek on my nose? Impossibler. But it's okay. We're gonna continue. We got this.
And then also made 2 little points at the top of the ridge of my nose. Then I took some black cream makeup from the Halloween store, and first I outlined the shape of the nose, and then I took that flat brush and went ahead and filled it in.
This is not going well. Okay. Why does it look like I have the pitons on my nose? I need y'all to zoom into this. It legit looks like 2 mountains. Do you? Love can move mountains. Dog, I'm screaming. Zanabad. In a camera, I look terrible, guys. I promise you. I'm not crying. You're crying. You know that video of the little boy? Where he goes, "Are you happy to be at school?" Yeah! I'm gonna insert that video. If you've never seen that and you're just seeing it now in this video, you're welcome.
Are you gonna miss your mom?
No.
No? Oh, don't cry.
So the next thing she does is outline the socket that we just created. I'm gonna try and do that.
And then I also took that paint and put it on the inside area of the lips.
This inside line wasn't supposed to be this thick, but it just ended up that way. And I'm really sorry, okay? I'm sorry I let you down.
Very carefully with the brush and just a little bit of product, I started dragging it outwards. And this is kind of mimicking the line where my teeth sit.
I'm trying to make this side better because I already did this side, so I should have known at least where these things are.
Then with the cream makeup and a flat brush, I started to fill in that area, and I wanted it to kind of taper off, so I'm really lightly just dragging it out.
So now we're starting on the hard part, which if the rest of this wasn't hard enough, then I don't know what the rest of this is going to look like. So we have to make teeth. Not these yellow ones, some black ones, like skeleton. Do we have this many teeth in real life? Because this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I have 9 teeth on this side of my face only. Help me! I have far less teeth on this side. Great. That's exactly how teeth work.
Kind of started curving the lines to mimic like the body of the tooth, and then as it gets thinner upwards as it goes into the jaw. Or not the jaw, the cheekbone, I guess.
This is legit the hardest thing to do. So this part is literally just filling in lines. The lines that I can't draw. So I'm just gonna try and focus on doing that. So 2 times speed. I just want to get 1 teeth right. 1 digga one. I honest to goodness give up. Like, yep. Give up. Give up. So that's my teeth. Moving on to the rest of the tutorial. Serving you. ChantayLainey should never do Halloween again. Like, anybody that does like a Halloween tutorial and put that on YouTube and get their face to look real, big up or no, because this was legit the hardest thing I've ever had to do. Like, this is, and it still looks terrible. Like, I took my time. Like, I tried to make this work, okay? I did. And this is still my end result, y'all. Like, what teeth? Like, this wasn't no human skull. Like, this must have been like, what kind of teeth are these? Oh, this was so hard. Like, I've been doing this for 2 hours, guys. Like, that is how serious this is. And I took no breaks. None. None. What? This is unbelievable. Alright guys, this is the end of the video. I really hope this was entertaining for you. It was low-key devastating for me. Because, you know, once again, your girl she just ain't got it. She ain't got it, y'all. She ain't got it. So, if you did enjoy this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos from me, then subscribe. I ain't doing no more Halloween tutorials. If you want to come back here next year for a Halloween tutorial, don't, because it won't be here. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.